BJP in turmoil. Finance Minister Sitharaman in trouble because of Nitin Gadkari. Opposition India bloc leaders storm parliament premises. Opposition supports Gadkari's demand to repeal GST on life health insurance. Opposition calls it anti-people tax terrorism. The leaders of the India Alliance stormed Parliament today during the ongoing monsoon session, once again calling for the repeal of the GST on life and health insurance. The protesting India bloc leaders demanded the rollback of the 18% GST on life and health insurance premium. MPs from various parties including TMC, AAP, Congress and NCP participated in the protest on the steps leading to the Makar Dwar of the parliament, carrying placards reading tax terrorism. A few days ago, veteran BJP leader and Union Minister Nitin Gadkari had written a letter to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, urging her to withdraw the 18% GST on life insurance and health insurance premiums. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee echoed this demand following Gadkari's letter. Mamta warned that if the GST is not withdrawn, she will be compelled to take to the streets. She called the centre's decision to impose 18% GST on life insurance and health insurance policies anti-people and urged Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman to roll it back. In her letter, Mamta emphasized that the primary purpose of life and health insurance is to provide financial security during unexpected events such as illness, accident and untimely death.
कार है जो कफन टैक्स लगाती है। अब एक आदमी बीमार, एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, वो जीवन से संघर्ष कर रहा है और आप क्या कर रहे हैं, उस पर भी जीएसटी चार्ज कर रहे हैं। तो एक पीड़ित आदमी के साथ इस तरह लूट मचाना गलत है। ये हम ही नहीं कह रहे, इनके मंत्रि परिषद में भी मतभेद है। गडकरी साहब ने खुद लिखा है कि इसे वापस लेना चाहिए। तो हम तो जनहित में एक मुद्दा उठा रहे हैं कि लूट मत करो, कफन टैक्स मत लगाओ।
Under the new tax structure, an 18% GST is levied on life and health insurance under Section 80C and 80D of the Income Tax Act. Union Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari, in his letter to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, stated that the 18% GST on life and health insurance has strained the insurance sector and created issues for senior citizens. Gadkari suggested that both life and health insurance are sensitive sectors and called for a restructuring of the tax structure. Following Gadkari's letter, the opposition's criticism of the central government has intensified. It remains to be seen how much attention the government will pay to this demand from senior leaders of its own party and the opposition. News Desk report, Any News.